Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Ideal House 24,000 BTU mini split air conditioner and heat pump. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: powerful 24,000 BTU for large rooms up to 1,500 square feet. Experience rapid and powerful climate control for your larger spaces. This 24,000 BTU mini split efficiently cools and heats large living rooms, open plan areas, and shops up to 1,500 square feet, creating a consistently comfortable environment year-round. Its powerful output ensures even temperature distribution in expansive spaces. Ultra-efficient 21 SEER2 with advanced inverter. Dramatically reduce your energy bills without sacrificing performance. The advanced inverter compressor and 21 SEER2 rating work together to intelligently adjust power, cutting energy consumption by up to 40% compared to conventional units. This smart technology maintains your set temperature with minimal energy waste. Smart Wi-Fi and Alexa voice control. Command your comfort from anywhere. Use the smartphone app or simple voice commands with Alexa to adjust temperature and modes remotely. This unit offers comprehensive control with 4 versatile modes: cool, heat, dry, and fan, along with a 24-hour timer and customizable sleep settings for total convenience. Whisper quiet operation at as low as 28 decibels. Engineered for tranquility. With double-layer sound insulation and a low vibration design, this unit operates at a quiet 28 decibels, ensuring it won't disrupt your sleep, work, or relaxation. Enjoy powerful climate control and near silence. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.